Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to get the AnswerThePublic lifetime access for just $49. Yes, this is a truly offer and 100% legal. So the first step, as you see, till now or right now, AnswerThePublic.com pricing is only either monthly for a $10, starting from $10 per month, or yearly for $6.67 per month, billed yearly. But how to get this offer? It's pretty much simple. First, visit or go to AnswerThePublic.com, create your account, then click on your profile icon from this corner, select manage account, and now here below subscription, you will see your current subscription. As you see, right now I am subscribed to the starter plan, but this method or this 49 method per month, lifetime access for $49 method, will work on either or any subscription. Either it's a 7-day trial or something like this, or the starter plan. So how to get this offer? Click on cancel account. Here select any reason, for example price, scroll down, click on cancel plan and delete my data, then check those 3 boxes and click on cancel plan and delete my data. Here don't worry, nothing happened, and just like this you will get this limited time offer, which is lifetime access for just $49. Here but I got to this page because I was frustrated to pay for this access for this tool is AnswerThePublic.com. But when I tried to cancel my subscription, I got the offer that I've already asked their support about, and they denied that they offer it. But if they see that you will get out of their service, they will offer it to you. So this is how to get the AnswerThePublic SEO tool or keyword research tool for lifetime for just $48. Click on get lifetime access. As you see, $49 US one time, and be sure it is not non-refundable. And this is how to get the lifetime access for the AnswerThePublic tool for just $49. Don't forget to give this video a like if you like it, subscribe to this channel, and leave us a comment. See you in the next one.